The voltage is rising fast.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's going on? So why is the current dropping? Ah, I see. This is the CCCV charging behavior of lithium-ion batteries. And of course, this is completely different from how lead-acid batteries are charged. That's exactly why you can't use a lead-acid charger for lithium-ion batteries. Let me show you exactly what's happening in real time when you charge a lithium battery pack or even a single cell. Let's go. First of all, I'm going to use the same battery pack. Let's follow the charging process. Alright, here's the setup. For charging, I'm using my power supply. It can handle lithium-ion charging, and I can adjust the current. Next, I've got a power meter. To monitor the charging current and power, can clearly see what's happening during the charge. At the start, current stay high, and voltage keeps rising. Everything looks fast. But then the current starts dropping, and charging slows down. This isn't random, it follows a very specific pattern. Let me show you. This is a chart showing how a lithium battery is charged. At first, this is constant current. Current stays flat and voltage rises. Then the battery hits its max voltage. And now, current starts dropping. This is why charging feels fast and then painfully slow. The first part is fast, the last part takes the longest. That's completely normal. So your charger isn't broken, it's following this exactly curve. Next, I'll test cheap chargers and real ones to see which actually follow this properly. Let's stick around and you will see what will be happening. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day.